Said good morning, everyone. It is time for weather, and boy, oh boy, it is going to be another delightful day in South Florida, but changes, like always, they're a coming. So today, Saturday, we're going to see mainly sunny skies, temperatures right around 80 degrees, a very seasonal day, just a really lovely afternoon. But there is a front to our north, and it does move through tonight. We're not expecting any rain out of it, just a couple of clouds. It will stir up the winds, so we will see gusts about 20 miles per hour tonight as the front comes through. And then on the back side of the front, temperatures will start to come down. You will definitely notice a difference as we head into tomorrow. So with that said, right now it's 68 degrees in Stewart, 61 Indiantown, 64 Wellington, and right now Vero Beach coming in at 62 degrees. We do have a couple of low clouds sitting on top of the Treasure Coast and Palm Beach County, but for the most part today we will see mainly sunny skies as high pressure continues to dominate. But right here, this is the front that we're watching. It does move through tonight, and behind it we do have some cooler air. I mean, look at the temperatures right now from Atlanta at 54 degrees, and behind the front, Little Rock seeing a temperature of 40. So all of this cooler air right here will make a push down towards South Florida, and by the time we get to Monday morning, boy oh boy, it will be quite cool with lows in the 40s and the 50s. Now, in the meantime, we do have a system that we're watching, just a cluster of thunderstorms, but over the next couple of days, this system does have about a 50% chance of becoming a tropical system. But nonetheless, most of the computer models take it across Central America and into the Pacific, and then eventually kick it right on out to sea, so no real issues there. All right, so with that said, for today, check out these daytime highs. Boy, it is going to be really, really pleasant outside. 81 degrees, the forecasted high in West Palm Beach. South County, Boca coming in at 82. Wellington, a lovely day at 80. Stewart, 78. And Vero Beach at 78 degrees. Now, as the front comes through tonight, temperatures will be cooler than they are right now. 62 is the forecasted low in West Palm Beach. We're at 56 in Indiantown, 51 Okeechobee, 55 Vero Beach. And then by tomorrow night, we'll be in the 40s back over towards the lake, and we'll be in the 50s over towards the coast. So it will be quite cool as we head into your Monday morning. But today, 81 degrees, the forecasted high. Tonight, we're down to 62. Tomorrow, Sunday, notice 76 degrees. So temperatures will drop by 5 degrees tomorrow, and it will be breezy as well. On Monday, we're at 75, lots of sunshine, but definitely a cool start with temperatures in the mid-50s. And then we slowly start to warm it up. And as we head towards Thanksgiving, another front comes through. It's another weak one, so at best, just a couple of spot showers here or there.